Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is NEET Exam Biology Previous Year 2019 Questions with Solutions. Question number 1. What map unit, centimorgan, is adopted in the construction of genetic maps? Option A. A unit of distance between two expressed genes representing 100% crossover. Option B. A unit of distance between genes on chromosomes, representing 1% crossover. Option C. A unit of distance between genes on chromosomes, representing 50% crossover. Option D. A unit of distance between two expressed genes representing 10% crossover. The correct answer is Option B. A unit of distance between genes on chromosomes, representing 1% crossover. Gene mapping is used to define the locus of genes as well as to determine the distance between the genes. Distance respective to this 1% recombination frequency is called a centimorgan. One map unit represents 1% crossover and it is used to measure genetic distance. Question number 2. Select the correct group of biocontrol agents. Option A. Trichoderma, baculovirus, Bacillus thuringiensis. Option B. Oscillatoria, Rhizobium, Trichoderma. Option C. Nostoc, Azospirillum, nucleopolyhedrovirus. Option D. Bacillus thuringiensis, tobacco mosaic virus, aphids. The correct answer is Option A. Trichoderma, baculovirus, Bacillus thuringiensis. The natural predators or enemies of the pests, weeds, etc. are referred to as biocontrol agents. Fungus Trichoderma, baculoviruses, NPV, and Bacillus thuringiensis are used as biocontrol agents. Question number 3. The ciliated epithelial cells are required to move particles or mucus in a specific direction. In humans, these cells are mainly present in Option A. Fallopian tubes and pancreatic duct. Option B. Eustachian tube and salivary duct. Option C. Bronchioles and fallopian tubes. Option D. Bile duct and bronchioles. The correct answer is Option C. Bronchioles and fallopian tubes. Bronchioles and fallopian tubes are lined with ciliated epithelium. It helps in moving the particles or mucus in a specific direction. In fallopian tubes, ciliated columnar epithelium is present. In bronchioles, pseudostratified ciliated glandular epithelium is present. Simple columnar epithelium is present in the bile duct. Question number 4. A gene locus has two alleles A. If the frequency of dominant allele A is 0.4, then what will be the frequency of homozygous dominant, heterozygous and homozygous recessive individuals in the population? Option A. 0.16 AA, 0.24 AA, 0.36 AA. Option B. 0.16 AA, 0.48 AA, 0.36 AA. Option C. 0.16 AA, 0.36 AA, 0.48 AA. Option D. 0.36 AA, 0.48 A, 0.16 AA. The correct answer is Option B. 0.16 AA, 0.48 AA, 0.36 AA. Frequency of dominant allele, say P, equals 0.4. Frequency of recessive allele, say Q, equals 1 to 0.4 equals 0.6. Frequency of homozygous dominant individuals, AI equals P squared equals 0.42 equals 0.16. Frequency of heterozygous individuals, AI equals 2PQ equals 2 0.4 0.6 equals 0.48. Frequency of homozygous recessive individuals, R equals Q squared equals 0.62 equals 0.36. Question number 5. Select the incorrect statement. Option A. Inbreeding is essential to evolve pure lines in any animal. Option B. Inbreeding selects harmful recessive genes that reduce fertility and productivity. Option C. Inbreeding helps in accumulation of superior genes and elimination of undesirable genes. Option D. Inbreeding increases homozygosity. The correct answer is option B. Inbreeding selects harmful recessive genes that reduce fertility and productivity. Inbreeding refers to breeding between closely related animals for many generations. It is generally employed to increase the number of homozygotic individuals in a population. Harmful recessive genes exposed by inbreeding can be removed by selection. It also helps in accumulation of superior genes and elimination of less desirable genes. Question number 6. Which of the following factors is responsible for the formation of concentrated urine? Option A. Maintaining hyperosmolarity towards inner medullary interstitium in the kidneys. Option B. Secretion of erythropoietin by juxtaglomerular complex. Option C. Hydrostatic pressure during glomerular filtration. Option D. Low levels of antidiuretic hormone. The correct answer is option A. Maintaining hyperosmolarity towards inner medullary interstitium in the kidneys. The proximity between the loop of Henle and vasa recta as well as countercurrent in them helps in maintaining and increasing osmolarity towards the inner medullary interstitium. This mechanism helps to maintain a concentration gradient in medullary interstitium, so human urine is nearly 4 times concentrated than the initial filtrate formed. Question number 7. Which of the following glucose transporters is insulin dependent? Option A. GLUT2. Option B. GLUT3. Option C. GLUT4. Option D. GLUT-I. The correct answer is option C. GLUT4. GLUT4 is insulin-dependent glucose transporter. It is present in adipose tissues and skeletal and cardiac muscles and responsible for the majority of glucose transport to these sites under anabolic conditions. Question number 8. Grass leaves curl inwards during very dry weather. Select the most appropriate reason from the following. Option A. Flaccidity of bulliform cells. Option B. Shrinkage of air spaces in spongy mesophyll. Option C. Tyloses in vessels. Option D. Closure of stomata. The correct answer is option A. Flaccidity of bulliform cells. During the time of insufficient water supply or dry season, the bulliform cells lose the water and become flaccid due to water loss. When they are flaccid during the water stress, bulliform cells make the leaves curl inward so that the leaf surface is not exposed. The curling of leaves minimizes the water loss. Question number 9. Conchanavalin is option A. An essential oil. Option B. A lectin. Option C. A pigment. Option D. An alkaloid. The correct answer is option B. A lectin. Conchanavalin A is a lectin extracted from Canevalia ensiformis. It is a lectin, carbohydrate, binding protein, secondary metabolite. It has the property to agglutinate SABCs. Question number 10. Select the incorrect statement. Option A. In male grasshoppers 50% of sperms have no sex chromosome. Option B. In domesticated fowls, sex of progeny depends on the type of sperm rather than egg. Option C. Human males have one of their sex chromosome much shorter than the other. Option D. Male fruit fly is heterogametic. The correct answer is option B. In domesticated fowls, sex of progeny depends on the type of sperm rather than egg. In birds, female heterogamety is present. So sex of the progeny is decided by the egg and not by the sperms in the domesticated fowls. Birds have a ZW system of sex determination. In this system, female has a pair of dissimilar ZW chromosome and male has 2 similar ZZ chromosome. Question number 11. Which one of the following is not a method of in situ conservation of biodiversity? Option A. Wildlife Sanctuary. Option B. Botanical Garden. Option C. Sacred Grove. Option D. Biosphere Reserve. The correct answer is Option B. Botanical Garden. In situ conservation is the approach in which endangered species of either plant or animal is provided protection along with its natural environment. Examples of in situ conservation: wildlife sanctuary, biosphere reserve, sacred groves, etc. Examples of ex situ conservation: botanical garden, zoological parks, cryopreservation, etc. Question number 12. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Option A. Claviceps is a source of many alkaloids and LSD. Option B. Condia are produced exogenously and ascospores endogenously. Option C. Yeasts have filamentous bodies with long thread-like hyphae. Option D. Morels and truffles are edible delicacies. The correct answer is Option C. Yeasts have filamentous bodies with long thread-like hyphae. The fungi are filamentous in nature, consists of hyphae, long, slender thread-like structure, except yeast. Yeast is a unicellular sac fungus. However, yeast contains pseudohyphae. It is distinguished from true hyphae by their method of growth, relative frailty and lack of cytoplasmic connection between the cells. Question number 13. Which of the following contraceptive methods do involve a role of hormone? Option A. Barrier method, lactational amenorrhea, pills. Option B. Cut, pills, emergency contraceptives. Option C. Pills, emergency contraceptives, barrier methods. Option D. Lactational amenorrhea, pills, emergency contraceptives. The correct answer is Option D. Lactational amenorrhea, pills, emergency contraceptives. Lactational amenorrhea, pills, emergency contraceptives involve the use of hormones to prevent pregnancy. Lactational amenorrhea is a natural method of contraception. It is generally effective for a period of 6 months after parturition. Due to high levels of prolactin in a breastfeeding mother, gonadotropin level decreases. Question number 14. Match the following organisms with their respective characteristics. A. Pilla. I. Flame cells. B. Bombyx. 2. Comb plates. C. Purobrachia. 3. Radula. D. Taenia. 4. Malpighian tubules. Option A. A. 3. B. 4. C. 2. D. I. Option B. A. 2. B. 4. C. 3. D. I. Option C. A. 3. B. 2. C. 4. D. I. Option D. A. 3. B. 2. C. I. D. 4. The correct answer is Option A. A. 3. B. 4. C. 2. D. I. Pilla is a mollusk. The radula is a file-like rasping organ used for feeding present in the mouth. Malpighian tubules are excretory tubules of the bombyx. Purobrachia used for the purpose of locomotion. 8 external rows of ciliated comb plates are present. Flame cells are used for osmoregulation and excretion in the taenia, which is a platyhelminth. Question number 15. Drug called heroin is synthesized by Option A. Acetylation of morphine. Option B. Glycosylation of morphine. Option C. Nitration of morphine. Option D. Methylation of morphine. The correct answer is Option A. Acetylation of morphine. Heroin is an opioid which binds to specific receptors in CNS and GIT and relieves pain. It is obtained from the acetylation of morphine, diacetylmorphine. It is white, odorless and bitter crystalline compound. It is a depressant and results in the slowing down of body functions. It is generally taken by snorting or by injection. Question number 16. Match the following organisms with the products they produce. A. Lactobacillus. I. cheese. B. Saccharomyces. 2. Curd cerevisiae. C. Aspergillus. 3. Citric acid. D. Acetobacter acidity. 4. Bread. V. Acetic acid. Option A. A. 2. B. 4. C. 3. D. V. Option B. A. 3. B. 4. C. V. D. I. Option C. A. 2. B. I. C. 3. D. V. Option D. A. 2. B. 4. C. V. D. 3. The correct answer is option A. A. 2. B. 4. C. 3. D. V. Various microorganisms are used to produce several household and industrial products for example, Lactobacillus aureus is used in the production of curd from milk. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used in the process of bread making. Aspergillus niger and Acetobacter acidity are employed in the production of citric acid and acetic acid respectively. Question number 17. What is the site of perception of photoperiod necessary for induction of flowering in plants? Option A. Pulvinus. Option B. Shoot apex. Option C. Leaves. Option D. Lateral buds. The correct answer is option C. Leaves. The length of the light period is called photoperiod and the response is shown by the plant to change the relative length of dark and light period is called as photoperiodism. Before flowering, the shoot apices modify themselves into florine apices. Shoot apices of plants themselves cannot perceive photoperiods. Question number 18. Tidal volume and expiratory reserve volume of an athlete is 500 milliliters and 1000 milliliters, respectively. What will be his expiratory capacity if the residual volume is 1200 milliliters? Option A. 1700 milliliters. Option B. 2200 milliliters. Option C. 2700 milliliters. Option D. 1500 milliliters. The correct answer is option D. 1500 milliliters. Tidal volume equals 50 milliliters. Expiratory reserve volume equals 1000 milliliters. Expiratory capacity equals TV plus ERV equals 500 plus 1000 equals 1500 milliliters. Question number 19. Thiobacillus is a group of bacteria helpful in carrying out option A. Chemototrophic fixation. Option B. Nitrification. Option C. Denitrification. Option D. Nitrogen fixation. The correct answer is option C. Denitrification. A thiobacillus is a group of bacteria helpful in carrying out denitrification. A part of nitrates in the soil is converted into free nitrogen by denitrifying bacteria and this process is known as denitrification. Question number 20. In a species, the weight of newborn ranges from 2 to 5 kilograms. 97% of the newborn with an average weight between 3 to 3.3 kilograms survive, whereas 99% of the infants born with weights from 2 to 2.5 kilograms or 4.5 to 5 kilograms die. Which type of selection process is taking place? Option A. Stabilizing selection. Option B. Disruptive selection. Option C. Cyclical selection. Option D. Directional selection. The correct answer is option A. Stabilizing selection. The given data show stabilizing selection as most of the newborn having average weight between 3 to 3.3 kilograms survive and babies with less and more weight have low survival rate. Question number 21. In Antirrhinum, snapdragon, a red flower was crossed with a white flower and in F1 generation pink flowers were obtained. When pink flowers were selfed, the F2 generation showed white, red and pink flowers. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. Option A. Pink color in F1 is due to incomplete dominance. Option B. Ratio of F2 is 1/4, red, 2/4, pink, 1/4, white. Option C. Law of segregation does not apply in this experiment. Option D. This experiment does not follow the principle of dominance. The correct answer is Option C. Law of segregation does not apply in this experiment. Gene for flower color in Snapdragon shows incomplete dominance, which is an exception of Mendel's first principle, that is, law of dominance, whereas law of segregation is universally applicable. Question number 22. Expressed sequence tags, ESTs, refers to Option A. Polypeptide expression. Option B. DNA polymorphism. Option C. Novel DNA sequences. Option D. Genes expressed as RNA. The correct answer is Option D. Genes expressed as RNA. Expressed sequence tags, ESTs, are DNA sequences, genes, that are expressed as mRNA for protein synthesis. These are used in Human Genome Project. Question number 23. Identify the cells whose secretion protects the lining of gastrointestinal tract from various enzymes. Option A. Goblet cells. Option B. Oxyntic cells. Option C. Duodenal cells. Option D. Chief cells. The correct answer is Option A. Goblet cells. Goblet cells secrete mucus and bicarbonates present in the gastric juice, which plays an important role in lubrication and production of mucosal epithelium from excoriation by the highly concentrated HCl. Question number 24. Extrusion of second polar body from egg nucleus occurs. Option A. After fertilization. Option B. Before entry of sperm into ovum. Option C. Simultaneously with first cleavage. Option D. After entry of sperm but before fertilization. The correct answer is Option D. After entry of sperm but before fertilization. Extrusion of the second polar body from egg nucleus occurs after entry of sperm but before fertilization. The secondary oocyte completes its second meiotic division after the entry of sperm. Question number 25. Match the hominids with their correct brain size. Select the correct option. A. Homo habilis, I, 900 cc. B. Homo neanderthalensis, 2, 1350 cc. C. Homo erectus, 3, 650 to 800 cc. D. Homo sapiens, 4, 1400 cc. Option A. A. 3, B. 2, C, I, D, 4. Option B. A. 3, B, 4, C, I, D, 2. Option C. A. 4, B, 3, C, I, D, 2. Option D. A. 3, B, I, C, 4, D, 2. The correct answer is Option B. A. 3, B, 4, C, I, D, 2. Homo habilis, 650 to 800 cc. Homo neanderthalensis, 1400 cc. Homo erectus, 900 cc. Homo sapiens, 1350 cc. Question number 26. Which of the following statements is not correct? Option A. The hydrolytic enzymes of lysosomes are active under acidic pH. Option B. Lysosomes are membrane-bound structures. Option C. Lysosomes are formed by the process of packaging in the endoplasmic reticulum. Option D. Lysosomes have numerous hydrolytic enzymes. The correct answer is Option C. Lysosomes are formed by the process of packaging in the endoplasmic reticulum. Lysosomes bud off from transphase of Golgi bodies. Precursor of lysosomal enzymes are synthesized by RR and then sent to Golgi bodies for further processing. Question number 27. Select the hormone-releasing intrauterine devices. Option A. Multilode 375, Progestacert. Option B. Progestasert, LNG20. Option C. Lippes Loop, Multilode 375. Option D. Waltz, LNG20. The correct answer is option B. Progestasert, LNG20. Intrauterine devices are inserted into the uterus through the vagina. Progestasert, LNG20 are the hormone-releasing IUDs which make the uterus unsuitable for implantation and the cervix hostile to the sperms. Question number 28. Respiratory quotient, RQ, value of tripalmitin is option A, 0.7, option B, 0.07, option C, 0.09, option D, 0.9. The correct answer is option A, 0.7. The respiratory quotient, RQ, is the ratio of carbon dioxide produced to oxygen consumed while food is being metabolized. Question number 29. Peanu seed cannot germinate and establish without fungal association. This is because option A. It has obligate association with mycorrhizae. Option B. It has very hard seed coat. Option C. Its seeds contain inhibitors that prevent germination. Option D. Its embryo is immature. The correct answer is option A. It has obligate association with mycorrhizae. Mycorrhiza is the mutual relationship that exists between the root of the pine tree and the fungal species. Colder areas are the natural habitat of Peanu's trees where the source of water is snow rather than rain. Water is required for the germination of seeds. Fungus in turn gets food and minerals required for its growth and development. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.